Are you tired of juggling endless tasks? Meet NotionAI, your new workflow superhero. Imagine having a digital headquarters where you can write, plan, and organize everything with an AI assistant by your side. That's NotionAI. Whether it's keeping track of your habits, managing daily schedules, or organizing to-do lists, Notion's templates have got you covered. But wait, there's more. NotionAI doesn't just handle basic tasks. It helps with content outlines, idea generation, and even improves your writing. It's like having a smart assistant who knows exactly what you need. As a business owner, I've found NotionAI essential for streamlining processes and boosting creativity. From students to freelancers, anyone can benefit from Notion's adaptability. It's more than just a productivity tool. It's a game changer. Ready to transform your workflow? Give NotionAI a try today.